What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? What's up? It's just SkinnyBoyRandy. How you doing today? Thank you so much for being here. I love you so much. How are you doing? Welcome to Gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy, where beginners and experts are always welcome. Thank you guys so much for being here. I love you so much. I love you guys. Mwah! All the way from Zone 7, Richmond, Virginia. I love you guys. If you're new to my channel, click like and subscribe if you can. Click the thumbs up, thumbs down, just not the two middle fingers, okay? Okay, I love you guys, you're the best. So today, I'm gonna make a short, quick video. I told you guys, don't stay out in the heat long. It's super duper hot, Zone 7. Heat index is up to 105, you guys. It's probably 110. Yes, be safe out here. Stay hydrated if you have to work in your garden. I have to go to work and then come home and try to work in my garden. But yes, I water very early in the morning and in the evening when it has cooled down, you guys. Okay, so let's just dive right into the video. A lot of people have been saying, what can I plant now? A lot of my things are dying off. The heat is so hot, it's frying my plants. Yes, you guys. Yes. Remember I told you, always succession plant, because this heat can really fry anything it wants to almost. Yes, and especially if you're not there to hold the water. Okay. Because anybody got time to sit there and hold the water? We got to go to work and make some money because we ain't got no money. Anybody got no money? I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. I love you. So, yes, you guys, today I just want to talk to you about what you can plant in July. Some people are like, oh, you can't plant anything right now. Are you kidding me? There are tons of things that you can plant right now, but I'm just going to talk about a few. Get your squash in the ground. You can start some squash right now, and I'm going to prove it to you because I put some in the ground 4 days ago, and they've already germinated. You don't have to start anything in a container right now. It's so hot, you can put it right in the ground. Keep it super saturated, especially when you first plant it. Keep the seeds super saturated, you guys. They will come right on up. Okra, get them in the ground. People are like, it's too late to grow okra. No, it's not. I put these in the ground a few weeks ago. Now look at them, you guys. They're tripling in size. Absolutely. And I have 3 growing in a container, a 5-gallon bucket. Shout out to the Home Depot. Okay. Yes, you guys. So don't let anybody tell you what you can and cannot do. You can do whatever you want to do. That's your garden, okay? Also, get your corn in the ground. It's not too late to plant corn. Zone 7, Richmond, Virginia. The summer may extend until December. The way this weather is going, and I'm sure in your area it's going kind of the same way, because I'm getting the same stories from everybody that the weather is like going berserkers. But we love you, Mother Nature. Thank you, Lord, for the crazy weather. So thank you guys so much for being here. They say grow this cantaloupe by the end of June. I'm going to give it a try. My niece gave me these, so I'm going to give it a try. Okay, I love you guys. You're the best. I have some great news to tell you, and I think I will be able to tell you tomorrow. Oh my God, I can't wait. So, yes. So, yeah, as far as starting your corn, I just started this corn about 2 weeks ago. Yeah. Don't let anybody tell you can't plant in July. You can start your garden in July. Just get you some soil mix. Yeah. Buy you a bag of potting soil, buy you a bag of garden soil. If you want to do containers, you want to get potting soil. There's a difference in your potting soil and your container, your potting and container soils and mixes versus your garden soils and mixes. A lot of the garden soils and mixes are meant to go on the ground, but I like to mix it up. I put a little bit of both in both. Okay, you guys? Okay. So yeah, this is the little garden that I started 4 days ago. I just dropped some seedlings. Some seeds, see? That's going to be squash and zucchini. I'm not going to thin yet because I'm looking for the strongest ones. Look at that melon. Don't tell me you can't grow in July. You can grow anything you want to, y'all. Just keep this ground moist and saturated and things will grow. Yep. Also, when you're in the hot heat like it is right now, if you have like a self-watering sprinkler thing or a timer that you can put it on, I don't have that. I can't afford it. I ain't got no money. But if you don't, make sure you water early in the morning, you guys. Yeah, I have to get up bright and early in the morning. So I water at super duper early, like 4 a.m. and leave it on until I walk out the door at 5 a.m. Yeah. just so they're already saturated. And I just went out there, as you can see, that soil was nice and dark and moist. So if the rain comes, it does. If it doesn't, it doesn't. We're still covered. That's one thing you need to know. Make sure you keep your plants watered. But yeah, you guys, get you some squash, some corn, some zucchini, some okra, all that in the ground. Put it straight in the ground right now and it'll grow. Okay, I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. This is a short quick video. I love you.